Hello, I saw your question in the email from 6-1. Construct a confidence interval for the population mean mu. C, confidence interval 0.9 or 90%. The mean sample means 15.2. Guess this must be population, standard deviation 7, and the number sample size is 35. So different. You can do this by hand, but the easy way, of course, is stat crunch. You go click on stat there. Let's see. Click on stat, then Z stat, and then one sample Z summary. Then you put in the sample mean here. I guess I typed it in 15.2, standard deviation 7, and you put this 35. Confidence interval, you make that 90. You click compute, and it's going to give you the lower and upper, it's going to give you lower and upper bounds when you click on that. You want to round to one decimal. Also, so I'm explaining how to use stat crunch. If you prefer to use the calculator, if you go back and look at the videos, you'll find 3 videos you have to do with the homework. One shows stat crunch, one shows calculator, one by hand. So you'll either want to use stat crunch, which I'm showing here, or you can go back and watch that video on calculator if you prefer to use it. Hope this helps.